So as you can see, there's a lot that has been done, but there's still a lot to be done. But wanted to give you guys a sneak peek on what it's looking like mid-rehab. You're able to see it upon occupancy in the as-is state. You're able to see some of the profit strategies that we were able to come up with, and now you're able to see it while it's mid-rehab. Now we will come back out to this property when there's a little bit more done, so you can see the steps and advances that we've taken as a team to make this house the beautiful home that we know it can be, okay? So continue to follow, right? Continue to follow the journey on this property and the many more that we have in works right now as well. And if you are looking at this, as always, and you're saying, hey, I want to invest in real estate. I'm in the Dallas-Fort Worth market. I want to team up with Mike and the Let's Get Paid team, and I want to do exactly what they're doing. Go visit the website down below, letsgetpaid.com. Register for absolutely free and come join the team so we can teach you how to invest in real estate right here in the Dallas-Fort Worth market. As always, it's your favorite real estate investor, Mike Anderson. Let's get paid.